How's it going, everyone? Cameron here with another Bittensor Weekly News update. In this video, a meaningful update around the Grayscale Tao Trust. The HackQuest Subnet competition is moving into the build phase. We do an update on what's moving the Tao price, and a small but important community safety watch out. First up, the most institutional story of the week, and it's worth paying attention to even if you don't own the trust. In a filing with the US SEC, Grayscale's Bittensor Trust disclosed that as of March the 6th, it changed the benchmark it uses to calculate NAV, or net asset value, moving it from a Coinmetrics real-time rate to the CoinDesk Bittensor Benchmark Rate. Why does this matter? Well, because benchmarks aren't just trivia, they're a big part of how institutional wrappers standardize exposure. The filing goes into detail on the benchmark's design. It talks about pulling from selected trading platforms, weighted by volume, filtering outliers, and having rules around exchange quality and even negative events like breaches or freezes. The simple investor takeaway is that Tao's investor rails are becoming more formal. It doesn't guarantee anything about price, but it does matter when more capital wants cleaner infrastructure to report and track exposure. Next, ecosystem pipeline. The HackQuest Bittensor Subnet Ideathon is moving into the next stage. The first round winners have already been announced, and here they are here. My congratulations to all of the winners. All of the winners go through to the next round, and all the honourable mentions to the testnet hackathon, which kicks off this week. Investor translation, lots of ideas entering the funnel. Now we get to see if those ideas actually work on the testnet. Can they design the scoring and incentive mechanisms? I'm excited to see what comes out of round 2, and you'll get all the news on this channel. Quick chain maintenance note. Subtensor shipped a new release on March the 11th. This is more technical under the hood stuff, but the investor point is straightforward. The chain continues to ship updates focused on safety and operational guardrails. That's the kind of boring you want continuously happening in the background. Alright, price. Tao has had a strong week. CoinGecko shows Tao up 26% at time of capture. What drove this price surge? Well, probably the AI narrative surge, rather than a specific Bittensor event. I say that because most of the crypto AI tokens are also outperforming the crypto market. One macro headline that clearly fed the AI narrative: Wired reported that Nvidia is preparing an open source AI agent called NemoClaw. Crypto market coverage also explicitly connected that kind of agentic AI momentum with renewed buying in AI-linked tokens like Tao. The healthy framing here is enjoy the move, but don't confuse price action with adoption. The fundamental story still comes down to quality subnets producing real utility and whether or not incentives still drive quality output. Before we wrap, a quick safety note. There was a community thread this week about an unknown cold key sending small amounts around, with the OP saying that the wallet appeared newly created and distributing to many accounts. But it's a good reminder, random inbound transfers can be used as part of scams. Don't click strange links, don't connect your wallet to random sites, and verify any airdrop or claim story through official sources. Right, that's it for this week. If this helped, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.